Hello ladies and gentlemen, another video with the new technique what I used for the small lock. It's also working for the big lock. Yeah, I take a bigger wrench, torque wrench, I put it in, put a bit of pressure on, hold it till it turns, then I go with the rake over the pins and straight up on top of the wrench. I release that wrench completely. Then I pull that out and turn the wrench and it's open. And actually I was always thinking, why is that working? I think most of the pins, I don't pick the pins actually. And what I've done is actually, there's one pin with a strong spring, and I think that you need to find that single pin. So it's open without show effect in it. So I put a bit of strain on. Go with the rake over the pins, release the torque wrench and go out. And while I'm going out, I always push the torque wrench back. While I'm going out, I turn actually the open. I turn the rake with the wrench. You see that? And I don't know why it works. It works brilliantly. Yeah. If I can do that again, would be nice. Yep. So that is a new technique to, instead of picking the pins single, you go with the rake on top of the torque wrench and then turn the rake with the wrench and open the lock. Thank you for watching. I think everybody has now a new challenge. Thank you.